Hey, how are you doing? So I hope that the video that Kelly Jordan's produced of how to get Buckmail and how to get on Blackboard helped you out a little bit. So, but what I'm going to do today is we're going to just navigate Blackboard a little bit. So most of you have had Blackboard sometime in your career. And if you haven't, well, let's go ahead and do a Blackboard 101 for you. Okay, and so if you click on these tabs, and I know yours will look a little different than mine. You look at these tabs. This is the home page. A lot of times they'll update you about what's due and all kind of the announcements and stuff. But usually, starting with the information page is the most important. Okay, so we've already done. Joe Fox is going to come talk about LibGuides with you. For your doctoral seminar, but this is where you can copy and paste that link, and then you can go right to our LibGuide and be able to get all those articles and all that fun stuff. Okay, if you look at the discussions tabs, this is where your professors, when they want discussion board posts, are. In this class, we have no discussion board posts. Majority of our courses will have maybe 1 or 2 discussion board posts. It's not something that we do all that often because we are a face-to-face doctoral program. But if you're looking there, some professors will put you in groups. And so this is where the groups tab would be. In the doctoral seminar, we don't. But usually, for us, we'll have, let's say there's 22 students, maybe we'll have groups of 3. So maybe 7 groups in there, and so group A, B, C, whatever. But for you, it'll just show those 3 students. So if you have a discussion board that goes to everybody, then that will be in that tab right here, the discussions tab. If you have a discussion when just your small groups, maybe you're working on a project, it would be in the groups tab. Okay? All right. Next, we have the syllabus, all instructors, and for the most part, all of these are going to look the same. Okay. We've asked the instructors to try to keep the same type of format. All right. And so this is for my September cohort, this class. But this is where you get your syllabus from. And like I said, you can download that. And if you are new, all you got to do is click on syllabus, and it will pop up. There it is. So this is the seminar, and even these are very similar with all the courses, so you can definitely check out that. And most people really like the schedule of topics. Seminar is only 2 classes, so it's pretty short. Okay. All right. So that's the syllabus. Not that exciting. All right. So now we'll go ahead and move to course schedule and evaluations. Okay, this is coming off the syllabus. Many of our professors will just copy that off. And it'll also have the grading of all the assignments on here. There's not much assignments in the seminar, so that you don't have that in that one. All right, this is where the real interesting fun part is. So you're either going to be taking 5-week courses, which in the summer, or you'll take 8-week or 10-week courses during the semester. Okay, depending on if it's a research class or not. Okay, so this one, doctoral seminar, is only 2 weeks long, so you only have 2 folders. Okay, but let's say it's a 5-week course, you have 5 folders. So during that week, so let's say the class starts on Tuesday, September 1st, right? And so everything that's due from September 1st, from when class starts, until week 2 would be September 8th. That's what's going to be in week 1 folder. So we click on week 1. They should give you a little intro of what you're going to be learning that week. You'll have a checklist that this is not something that you have to turn in or anything, but they'll give you a checklist of everything that's going to be you're going to be doing either in class or outside of class. So on September 6th or September 5th, when you're working on your assignments and you want to get everything done, then we just make sure that everything on the checklist is complete. Okay. If you have any reading assignments, and so for the seminar class, you will have a reading assignment. Well, this is the day one PowerPoint. So any materials that you have for that week will be here. Okay. And then the assignments tab. Okay, so this one, you have a homework assignment in your seminar class. Okay, if you read the assignment, everything, if you actually click on the assignment itself, that's where you turn in. You would upload, you can browse your computer and upload your proof of finishing that assignment. Okay, and then you just would submit it, and then you get credit for it. Okay, getting started, that tab will give you a little bit of information about the course and how it's set up. Most professors do this, but it's, the email policy, a lot of stuff that's coming from the syllabus. Okay, and then there's, if you want to meet your instructor a little bit, the instructor usually will put pictures up of them and their wives and their kids and all that fun stuff and tell you a little bit about themselves. Okay. Then other than that, the next biggest thing is the grade center, okay? And so you click on it, you do full grade center, and you'll actually see what your grades are and what needs to be graded and all that fun stuff. So that was just something small, quick. We'll talk more about it in the doctoral seminar, and if you have more questions, then you can talk to the first instructor in your program. So hopefully that was helpful, and I look forward to seeing you at the doctoral seminar.